Welcome back to BlogHubPoint YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into CSS background properties. The background property is used to set the visual background for your HTML page, sections, containers, or any element. There are many different background properties, and in this video, you'll learn how they work. Let's take a closer look at them. We're using the background property in the body tag, and the body's height and width are already set. First, we apply the background color property and set its value to aqua. When you check the browser, you'll see that the background color of the HTML page is now aqua. Next, let's use an image as the background. We'll use the background image property for this. The image is already stored in the images folder. To add the image, use the URL function in CSS. Write the URL, then add a comma, and after that, write a backslash to show the image folder. Select the folder and choose an image. Save your changes, and when you go back to the browser, you'll see the image as the background. But right now, the image might appear too zoomed in. The image doesn't fully show, so we need to control its size. To do this, we use the background size property. First, write the background size property and set its value to auto. When you check the browser, the image will show the same, but it might still not fit perfectly. Next, if you set the value to contain, you'll notice that the image appears twice in the browser because it repeats to fit the space. However, when you set the value to cover, the image will adjust to cover the entire area without repeating, and it will only show once in the browser. If you want to use a custom size, you set the height and width to 500px for both. When you check the browser, the image will display in the desired size, but it will repeat multiple times across the screen. To make sure only one image is shown in the custom size, we need to stop the repetition. To do this, we use the background repeat property. By setting it to no repeat, the image will appear only once, but it will still be sized as you specified, without repeating. This will give you a single image displayed in your desired size. If the image is showing on the left side and you want to change its position, you can use another CSS property called background position. For example, to move the image to the right side, you set its value to right. When you check the browser, the image will appear on the right side. If you want to center the image, go to the VS Code editor and set the value of background position to center. Then, check the browser, and you'll see the image positioned in the center. There is another background property called background attachment. It has various values, but the two most commonly used are fixed and scroll. In this case, we use fixed, but you may not see the effect right away because it requires other containers. However, you will clearly see this effect in upcoming HTML and CSS projects. When using fixed, we typically combine it with the cover value for background size. Next, we use the background shorthand property. Instead of writing each individual property separately, we can combine all properties, except background size, into one line. I removed the previous properties and added the background shorthand. When you check the browser, you'll see the same result as before, but now with the shorthand background properties. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video.